Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tools Guider. On this video we are helping you to buy the best car dash cam on AliExpress 2025. We made the list based on around OpenAI, Recharge, and customer reviews, and all those products are top selling. Number 1. QOZ Car Dash Cam. The QOZ 10.26-inch car intelligent screen redefines in-car tech with its 4K 360 degrees rotation dash cam, offering unparalleled video coverage and clarity. Its wireless CarPlay and Android Auto provide seamless smartphone integration, while AUX, FM, and Bluetooth ensure versatile connectivity. The large touchscreen enhances usability, and built-in Wi-Fi adds convenience for updates and file sharing. Perfect for modern drivers, this intelligent screen blends innovation, safety, and practicality into a sleek, all-in-one dashboard solution. Number 2. XGODY H26 Pro Car Dash Cam. The XGODY H26 Pro 10.26-inch 4K dash cam combines advanced technology with sleek design. Its 4K video quality ensures clear footage, while the large touchscreen provides excellent visibility and ease of use. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto integration offer seamless access to apps, navigation, and calls. Built-in Wi-Fi and GPS enhance connectivity and tracking, and the rear-view camera adds complete road coverage. Perfect for tech-savvy drivers, this feature-packed dash cam delivers convenience, safety, and reliable performance. Number 3. AZDOME M550 Pro Car Dash Cam. The AZDOME M554K dash cam stands out with its exceptional 4K video quality and robust performance. The built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS enable fast connectivity and precise route tracking. Its upgraded night vision delivers sharp footage in low light, and the parking monitor adds an extra layer of security. Supporting a rear camera, the M550 provides comprehensive road coverage. Easy to install and packed with features, it's an excellent choice for drivers prioritizing safety and reliability. Number 4. OBDPEAK K2 Pro Car Dash Cam. The OBDPEAK K2 Pro 11.3-inch dash cam is a feature-packed device combining 4K video recording with CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Its sleek rear-view mirror design integrates seamlessly into your car, offering crystal-clear visuals for both recording and navigation. The Wi-Fi and GPS functionality enable easy route tracking and file sharing, while the rear camera enhances parking safety. User-friendly and multifunctional, this dash cam is an excellent choice for drivers wanting advanced tech and reliable performance in a stylish package. Number 5. REDTIGER A6 Car Dash Cam. The REDTIGER A6 4K dash cam impresses with crystal-clear 4K video quality and versatile 3-camera coverage, front, cabin, and rear. Its built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS ensure seamless connectivity and accurate route tracking. The upgraded night vision excels in low-light conditions, delivering sharp footage. The parking monitor offers added security when the vehicle is stationary. Easy to install and user-friendly, the A6 is a top-notch choice for drivers seeking reliable performance, advanced features, and comprehensive road coverage.